In your opinion, do you think Filipinas are easy to please in relationships? Are you a person who prioritizes their partner's happiness and needs over your own, or is it the opposite? What qualities do you appreciate most in a partner? What are your names and ages?
I'm Rochelle po, 19.
I'm Jade po, 18.
I'm Nikki, also 18.
In your opinion, do you think Filipinas are easy to please in relationships?
For me as a girl, in a relationship, I am easy to please because as we all know, girls are appreciative in the small things and they can be happy in all ways.
As a girl po, yes, because I'm appreciative po sa lahat ng bagay.
She is very appreciative in everything. And how about you, Beth?
Um, um, yes din po because as a Filipinas po, um, just a simple appreciation, word of affirmation is very big deal for me. It's a big it's a big compliment for me. That's all po.
Okay. Now, are you a person who prioritizes their partner's happiness and needs over your own, or is it the opposite?
For me, in my opinion, it's the opposite because I I tend to prioritize myself more so that I can give what he wants if I am in the right state of mind po.
It's like you first, so you can give what he. Okay,
To others.
that's nice. How about you, Beth?
I prioritize his happiness po because he prioritize me din po. Kaya I can give him all the love.
It's like give and take. Okay. How about you, Beth?
Also give and take po. But if it can balance, then it can balance po. Like if he prioritize my happiness, then I can prioritize his happiness.
So if he prioritizes himself first, you're not gonna prioritize him, right?
What po?
Because you said earlier that if he prioritizes your happiness, you're gonna do it the same thing. How about if he prioritizes himself first? His happiness first.
I prioritize myself first.
Oh, okay. Okay. How about this one? How do you define happiness in a relationship?
When we spend our time together po.
That's happiness for you. And you, Be?
Same as her po. Ganon din.
Don't. How about,
Yes, spend time with each other po. That's all.
what qualities do you appreciate most in a partner?
Um, Qualities po. The most important is when he thinks maturely po or when he has emotional intelligence po.
Same as her emotional intelligence po because as a girl with it is important that the man thinks of what you feel because that how relationship works. You think of each other and understand each other.
When someone has emotional intelligence and the act of service, when he doing something for you, even in a simple way po.
Okay, what's your name?
Anna.
In your opinion, do you think Filipinas are easy to please in relationships?
Filipinas. I think po, Filipinos are not really easy to please po or like to satisfy po in terms of a relationship since most Filipinas po have really high standards na po today since we are now more exposed po to other to information and because of that po we are obtaining new information na in some cases po na alter po our perspective po in terms of relationships.
Do you think it's a good thing that Filipinos are not easily, we are not easy to please now because of, it's different now?
Yes po, since I think that most Filipinas deserves better po. And in the case po of not being easy to please, I think that it's a good perspective po especially if you want the best for yourself.
Are you a person who prioritizes their partner's happiness and needs over your own, or is it the opposite?
Um, I really don't. I don't have any experience po, but I think po that in terms of happiness po, I will also prioritize my partner's happiness po, since it is also my happiness if they're happy like that.
So your partner's happiness first before yours.
Yes po.
Okay. How about this one? How do you define happiness in a relationship?
Oh my god. Happiness in a relationship po for me is being ano po, being able to understand each other po. And with that po, I think that I can obtain happiness po in that way. Like we understand each other, we respect each other. Because even the smallest things po can make someone happy. So
Ooh, I like that one. Okay. Now, what qualities do you appreciate most in a partner?
um respectful po and being open po to other people's thoughts po and ideas.
What's your name and age?
Hi, I'm Jean Pesico and I'm 21 years old.
Okay. So here's the question, Jean. Okay, Jean. Chin. Oh, like CH Chi. Okay, Chin. Okay, Chin. Okay. In your opinion, do you think Filipinas are easy to please in relationships?
Maybe. I think maybe. Because, oh my God, nabablank ka kasi.
It's okay. So let's translate easy to please. When we say easy to please, in Tagalog, madali kang pasayahin. Madali kang pasayahin. In your opinion ba, do you think Filipinas, yung mga Pilipinas ba madaling pasayahin? Yes or no?
Yes. Like, to buy a food or anything, or any things that they wanted. Like, luxury bag, like anything they want.
Wow, okay. From food to luxuries.
Date somewhere out there.
Are you a person who prioritizes their partner's happiness and needs over your own, or is it the opposite?
Prioritize my happiness of my partner.
What qualities do you appreciate most in a partner? Ano ba yung mga qualities na na-appreciate mo sa partner mo?
To love me the way I am.
Okay. Are you single or in a relationship, Chin?
In a relationship,
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Chin. We really appreciate your time. Thank you.
thank you. Welcome.
Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection